Hi, this is for Libra. Okay, so this video is going to be a special one for all the Libra people, because I'm going to do in a different aspects, like in the form of what does your mind says, what does your heart says, what are your fears is about, what is a positive outcome, and what's the best advice. And one more card I'll be doing it is Monology Oracle card, which will give you a proper guidance and a solution, what it is all about, what it is you have to follow through based on your readings. So this is what oracle reading will guide you, and this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it does not resonate, please you can take what it resonates. Okay, I'm going to do a general thing. It may be based on your relationship, it may be based on your career, job, situation, particular circumstance, about a friendship, about a family. It could be anything, so you can take it based on what you want. I'm sure it will resonate you. And if you're new to my channel, kindly do like, share and subscribe. That would be a great help. And if you want to book a personal reading, my number and also my Instagram page is in the description box. You can follow me through to my Instagram page, and my WhatsApp number is there. Personal readings could be based on your name and your date of birth, so that it will give you accurate and a proper guidance and solution for what you have to do in the upcoming days. So this is what it is all about. Yes, without any further delay, we'll start. Okay, I'm going to do with the light sheets and the Rider-Waite tarot cards for Libra. Let's find out what does your mind says, what does your heart says, what is your fear, and we'll do one by one. Okay, for Libra. What does their mind says about a particular situation or about particular relationship? It could be anything. Show me the cards which I need to see for what does their mind says. What does their mind says? Two cards please. Two cards please. 1 second. What does their mind says? Two cards please. What does their mind says? Okay, what does your heart says? What does your heart says? What does your heart says? Your heart is full of emotions, and your heart believes in magic, and it believes in manifestation. It want to create a particular thing, and it's full of emotions, but your mind is suffering a lot than your heart, but your heart seems to be pretty strong than your mind. Okay, what is the fear is all about? What is the fear is all about? Two cards please. What is the fear is all about? Two cards please. Fear is being into a romantic relationship. Why is that? Yes, a lot of hurdles, a lot of obstacles. You do have a lot of fear, dude. Okay, let's finish. Let's take a oracle reading for you. Okay, what is it you want to say for Libra? What is it you want to say for Libra? What is it you want to say for Libra? One card please. What is it you want to say for Libra? One card please. Have faith in your dreams. Have faith in your dreams. You do have certain dreams, okay, but I feel like you're a little bit worried about your dream or something, and it is suggesting you to have faith in your dreams. Have a little faith. Have a little faith in your dreams. Okay, what is your mind says? It says a Three of Swords and also Knight of Wands, which is suggesting me you're in a lot of pain, or you may feel like there is a third party situation either in your relationship or in a situation. If not, you're in a lot of pain, lot of suffering right now. but still you want to move forward to achieve your goals or something like that. Your heart says, which is King of Cups and the Magician, which is suggesting me like, you can create your heart still feels like you can still create a beautiful relationship with a particular person, or you can change a particular situation or a relationship with a particular people. You still do believe in that magic. I do feel so, because you believe in a lot of love, lot of emotions, and at the same time you do fear for the same kind of romantic relationship, and with the full of emotions. You do have a lot of fear in relationships or commitments. I do feel that. Yes, you do have a lot of boundaries within yourself. I think that is what it is stopping you once again. Okay. I feel like there is a glitch in my video. Okay, whatever. Okay, so this is what it is all about, but let's clarify for each and every cards why is this and why is that for every situation. Let's clarify for your mind what is exactly says. Okay, why the Three of Swords is here for Libra? Why the Three of Swords is here for Libra? I feel some of the people quite enjoying the flirting. For some of the people it may resonate. It's not for everyone. You just want to, if you want to talk to a girl or a boy, you just want to take it very casually, not into some serious relationship or something like that. This is what your mind says, because I feel like you have gone through a lot of obstacles or hurdles, or a lot of issues in your previous relationship, something like that, so that you want to take it very casually. Initially you don't want to take it anything very serious. But let's clarify. I think it resonates only for some of the people, not for everyone. Why the Three of Swords is here? Why the Three of Swords is here? This is exactly for relationship. Exactly, this is for relationship, I think so, because Three of Swords is clarified by the Lovers and the King of Cups, which is telling me clearly this is, clearly you are in pain, clearly you are in suffering, or there may be a third party situation. A third person is involved in your relationship or commitment, something like that, for sure. Why the Knight of Wands is here? Because that is why I'm getting Three of Swords and the Knight of Wands. Why the Knight of Wands is here? 2 card clarification, please. 2 cards clarification. Why the Knight of Wands is here? Please clarify me with the 2 cards. Why the Knight of Wands is here? Why the Knight of Wands is here? Exactly, just want to, whatever it is, maybe some people want to take this as a very normal friendship or something like that, don't want to take anything very serious right now. This is what your mind says. This is what your mind says, but your heart believes in magic. If it is, it's in your destiny, let it happen. And the madri, it's your mind is thinking, your heart thinking like, no, if it is in a destiny, let it happen. But for right now, your mind says like, let it be very casual, or let it be any friendship, because you don't want to get into any kind of relationship, because that is what your fear is all about. Serious relationship. Knight of Wands is clarified by the 9 of Cups and the 8 of Swords, which is clearly telling me you enjoy being single. You're so your wish is getting fulfilled by being single or something like that, because in the past you would have gone through a lot of suffering or something like that. Or else your mind, even if you're in a relationship, you want your time alone. You want your time. So sorry, where am I? Yes, but still you want to take it very, whatever it is, you want to take it as a friendship thing or something like that. You don't want to take anything very serious right now because you do have a lot of fear. Okay, but you don't need to have this much of fear. Whatever you are going through, you can take it very easily because this is nothing. I think you're just killing yourself, or that is your sabotaging, self-destructive thought. If you may ask, that's a very self-destructive thought because you're suffering a lot. Yeah. So this is what it is. Let's clarify for your mind. What does it say exactly? Sorry, what does your heart says exactly? I'm sorry, I'm confusing between mind and the heart. Right now we are going to do it for your heart. Why the Magician is here? Why the Magician is here? You feel like you have the capacity. Your heart sometimes says, yes, I do have the gut feeling like I can make it happen about this relationship. You do have that gut feeling within yourself. But I think maybe your mind is confusing you so much. Better listen to your heart. If it is a relationship or if it is any situation. Why the Magician is here? Why the Magician is here? 2 cards clarification, please. Why the Magician is here? Why the Magician is here? Bottom of the deck, say 4 of Wands. The Magician is clarified by the High Priestess, yes, and also the 7 of Cups. I feel like, okay, I do have a lot of work. I don't know whether I should go for this relationship or go for this emotional thing. You do have, certainly you do have a lot of confusions when it comes to your relationship, which is what I'm getting it over here. At the same time, your heart thinks you are a magician. When it comes to a relationship, you can make it happen. If you want to make it, okay, I want to get married to this girl or guy, yes, you can make it happen. No, I don't want, I have to come out of this relationship, yes, certainly you can make it. You have all those, right? Don't have any kind of confusions or clarity illada ஒரு முற்போக்குத்தனமாவே வந்து இருக்க வேணும். கிளாரிட்டியோட இருங்க. This is what you want, this is what I don't want அப்படின்றதுல please be very clear, or take your own time to get a proper guidance or proper solutions to yourself. Talk to yourself more so that you will get a proper clarity of what you exactly want in your life அப்படின்றதுக்கு. Okay, your intuition is telling you something. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition. Why the King of Cups is here? You do have a lot. You think maybe you'll have a lot of opportunities when it comes to a relationship or particular situation. Choose a proper only one. You have that. Your intuition is guiding you for a proper and a clarity relationship, or for something. Your intuition is guiding you something very proper. Listen to your intuition. Your mind is confusing you. Why the King of Cups is here? Why the King of Cups is here? Have faith. Remember, in the Oracle card, it says, have faith. Why the King of Cups is here? King of Cups is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune and the Empress, which is a very positive card when it comes to a relationship, or it could be any particular situation. Definitely your good time is going to start. Good cycle has, if not, it's already been started. Okay, I feel like your heart is guiding you in a very good way. Please listen to your heart, which is telling you, because I'm getting King of Cups is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune and the Empress, which is telling me like, there are good opportunities, or if not, there is a good opportunities for you to get into a relationship, or when it comes to a job or something. Yes, good time has already been started. Okay, let's see why the Knight of Cups and Queen of Cups is here for your fears. Why the Knight of Cups is here. Why the Knight of Cups is here. Why the Queen of Cups is here. Queen of Cups is clarified by the Two of Swords and the Queen of Cups. Exactly. You don't want to become emotional fool. I do feel that. Maybe you're feeling that you don't want to become emotional fool. You don't want to get into any kind of tragedy again. That is what your fear is all about. You don't want to become emotional fool. That is what I'm getting it over here. Knight of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Wands and Three of Pentacles, which is suggesting me initially you feel like everything seems to be very good, but over the period of time you still do have a lot of trauma when it comes to a relationship, or you still have a lot of fear because you feel stuck. I mean, I feel like you are so stuck between something two, whether to go into a relationship or whether I get into to follow my passion, because you don't believe yourself. That is what your problem. You don't believe yourself. What's a positive outcome? But you can work it out. You can go for a therapist, or you can work it out with a well-wisher. You can sit and talk with a person. You can definitely work out your fears. What is the positive outcome? What is the positive outcome of the situations? Positive outcome of the situation is Ace of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, definitely there is a new journey. Definitely there is a new cycle, new beginning. It's definitely going to start for you. So please utilize that and go for it. Okay, you can enjoy. If not, even if you think that if you make yourself clear, you don't want any kind of this relationship stuff or any stuff, definitely if it is about a money, yes, a new money or new success is coming on the way. A new manifestation is coming on the way, which will give you a lot of money, a bunch of money for you. Yes, money is on the way. Lots and lots of money you're going to have. You're going to be financially independent. Advice, please. Advice, please. Advice for Libra. Advice for Libra. Bottom of the deck is Page of Cups. You are a romantic person. You are an emotional person. Don't have any kind of negative talk. Don't have any kind of negative talk within yourself. Okay. 10 of Pentacles, which is telling me there is going to be a proper family. It's going to be there for you. A proper family member support, which a girl or a boy which will completes you for sure. Okay, but right now if you are not definitely there is a new beginning. It's going to be there. The advice is, yes, it is there, so don't have any kind of fear for yourself. Okay, anyhow, let me clarify for your outcome. Because we took Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles, right? Let me clarify for that. Why the Ace of Pentacles is here? Why the Eight of Pentacles is here? Ace of Pentacles is here. Ace of Pentacles is clarified by again the Emperor and the Nine of Pentacles. Already we do have a Nine of Pentacles. I feel like there is going to be proper stability. I do feel that stability is going to come through in your life. I do feel that here. Excuse me. 1 second. Yes, even if it is a promotion, even if it is about a job, a promotion is there for you. You're going to, yeah, like, what do you know, sing in the rain, like money in the rain, you know. There's lots of money coming on your way. There's going to be a lot of prosperity, victory, successes on the way for you guys. Wishing you all the very best. Let's spread only love.